Hello everyone. So now I'm making a short, brief tutorial for the OneSearch for when you are searching for your scholarly and popular articles. So I'm going to use the same search term. If you didn't watch the video before, you can go to OneSearch up here on the left-hand side, or you can just type in your topic or search terms right here and click search. Now it's already in online books and articles. Um, let's go to advanced search and college. Click search. Let's get rid of this window here. Okay, so now we need to just isolate the articles. So we're going to go over here on the left-hand side and we're going to scroll down to where it says scholarly journal articles. So I'm going to get my two journal articles first. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to change the publication date to something a little more recent, 2010 to 2021. And so now everything should be a peer-reviewed article. And how you can tell is it says it right here, peer-reviewed, peer-reviewed, peer-reviewed. So let's take this top article right up here. And as I said before, try not to use these permalinks. Go directly to the full text. And here's this one. And as you can see on here, there's not a permalink, but what they do have is a DOI number, which is a digital object identifier, which is the same thing. So you would just copy and paste that onto your paper with your title and your keywords and all that stuff that's required. And then I would also grab the citation. So let's do the download citation. And then I would store this somewhere for next week, just so that you have it with you. And unless you just want to save it for next week and come back. But I'm trying to save you a little time. So I would put this on a separate piece of paper, and then I will show you how to correct them next week. So that is where you find, instead of the permalink, you're using the DOI. And here's your abstract and your introduction. And so we're good for that resource. So let's find another one. So I'm back on my list of resources, and let's see, I want to look at this one. And I'm going to click here, EBSCOhost Academic Search Complete. And then for this one, you could click the PDF full text and read the whole thing online here, or just keep scrolling. But over here on the right-hand side is where you're going to find the permalinks. This is going to be just like the other tutorial video that I showed you. So you can do that. And you can also email this article to yourself. Go to citation format. Make sure you click on MLA, put your email in, and then you will get the whole article plus the citation. And that way you have a record of it, so next week it'll save you a little bit of time and you don't have to go back and try to find the citation. Okay, so let's get out of this, and now I'm going to find one magazine article. So now I'm going to go over here to my filters, and I'm going to uncheck the scholarly journal articles. I'm going to make sure that they're all online. And then I'm going to scroll down to where it says resource type. I'm going to click show more, and I'm going to click on journals. And then here is where I'm going to find my magazine articles. Let's see, let's just click on this one. And this is in Nexus Uni, so let's click there. It's taking its time. Okay, so here is this article right here. Let's see, Employee Benefit Advisor. This looks like a magazine article. Okay, so it actually says down here it's a newsletter, but you can just tell right up here where it says volume and the issue number and pages that it's a magazine article. So you would go over here and you could email it, download it. What is it? Send to Google. Let's see. So for this one, the permalink would be up here where it says actions. You click the drop down menu, click the link to this page, copy and paste it. And then for the citation, you would click there, click MLA, and then just copy and paste that on a separate piece of paper. We're not doing any of the citations on this week's homework. This is just to keep for your records for next week if you want to. You can always do it next week too. Okay, so now we have our magazine article. So now we need a newspaper article. So let's go up here and click out of journals and go back to resource type. Click show more, and here's our newspaper articles right here. And it'll have a little picture of a newspaper right here, so they're easy to tell. So let's click up here. So this one is not available online. So let's go back. And so this one right here, it says available online. I didn't even see this. That's why you should check here, make sure that it's available online, and then click. And then you can just click on whichever one. And then here is your newspaper article. And you can get your link right here. And you can do a citation here. And that is it for your scholarly and popular articles. If anybody has any questions, you don't have to use the OneSearch. I'm just giving you this as another option. On the tutorials page, I think I gave you quite a few different options to use. And you can use any of the ones that I've listed for the assignment page as well. So, any questions, email me. Thank you.